दिल चाह रहा है हम वो कोशिश तो करें ना उसके लिए. कोशिश ही नहीं करेंगे तो that is where we are wrong and that's when we will not get there. If we try, yes we can. If we don't try, then we will not get anywhere. That's the bottom line. If you really want to make $1 million with me, yes you can. If you don't really want to do it, then you cannot. It's up to you. Maybe you will not reach $1 million, but maybe you will reach $100,000. Maybe you will reach half a million. Maybe you will reach $10 million. But at least, beautiful metaphor, you can see this much space.
So pay attention to that.
Do what you're doing best. Move on. And ask people, hello भाई मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहा, कोई है, कोई मुझे बता सकता है कहाँ जाऊँ? You can't see. You ask people. हेलो भाई कोई है, मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहा. बोलते अंधे को देखा कैसे जाता है? How does he travel? He keeps the stick. Tick, 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 tick. So don't worry. You worry too much about future. Same you. You worry about too much about how will you get there? What will happen? Stop. If I die right now, what difference does it make if I have the building or not? Does it make any difference? The only difference it makes is I have had the contentment of wanting it and thinking about it. I can imagine myself on the top floor looking outside at the ocean. I can close my eyes right now and I can see. I can close my eyes and I can see this song exactly happening, that Pakistan has been transformed. I can see it. If you can see it, then if I die tomorrow, my game is already over. What difference does it make if it's done or not? मैंने नियत कर ली, सवाब मुझे मिल गया. End of story. Why do I need to see it? I don't. My क्या कहना चाहिए? Reality is now. What will happen will happen. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? क़यामत हो सकती है. Who knows? But हम आज को इस फिक्र में बर्बाद कर दें. If we destroy our today in thought of tomorrow is gone, what is that? That means that I destroyed my today also. Knowingly I destroyed my today. But if I can be happy today, why can't I be happy now? ओ जब मेरे पास घर आएगा, मैं बिल्डिंग बन जाएगी, मेरे पास पैसे आ जाएंगे, फिर मैं खुश होऊंगा. अरे भाई कौन क्या होगा? Live now. आज क्या है?
You have to look at things as what makes you happy in there. And it is an exercise. First time when you break yourself out of that you walk in somewhere and you expect a total misery and what just doesn't matter what, pick out the smallest little thing you can be grateful for and happy to be there and insert your help. So you're right there in the present moment once you do that. And just do it. The rest will all follow. You just have to start trusting yourself. The first time you do it, then you will feel at peace. And then, okay, I did it once, I can do it again, again, and again. And then more and more times.
Does it make sense? Now can I have the 10 crore list? If you really want to get there.
Can be more. Don't take it 10 crore. Anything. Anything.
That's
like
what
you
I
would
told
have every kind of money on
But
the world.
he was finding it difficult to get there. I said, okay.
We sit together, make an appointment, let's sit and let's start dreaming. Because it's all about, I know, family and everything else, so I know that. We sit and let's unlock that. So let's start making you a future and the direction.
But
bring a flashlight.
Imagine, yaar, what's wrong with thinking that we want that building? Is there something wrong? I mean, imagining even that we want to go there, is it bad?
It's an exciting journey to get there.
At least you're excited, dude. Maybe we will have. अगर नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? अगर मैं कचरे की फोटो लगा दूँ, we have our office. So what do you come to office for? You don't even have a goal. But by putting a big photo like that in the office, this is where we all want to go. At least we all know where we want to go. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with you wanting a huge house? Nothing is wrong. What's wrong with you wanting a huge Mercedes downstairs waiting for you? There's nothing wrong with it. But at least know what you want. Right now, you don't know what you want. And that is the problem. Because once you know, you work for it. You don't know and you come here, you're not happy, you are just doing your job. And that is the worst thing for yourself. You'll develop cancer and nothing else.
Deserving, you do.